Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0299 indicates a turbocharger underboost problem in Honda Accord models from 2023 and onwards. This error arises when there is a significant deviation between the target boost pressure set by the engine control module ECM and the actual boost pressure being produced by the turbocharger. The ECM identifies this discrepancy and logs the DTC, signaling that further investigation and troubleshooting are necessary. Turbochargers are crucial for enhancing engine performance by forcing additional air into the combustion chambers, thus improving power and efficiency. In this context, components such as the turbocharger itself, boost control valves, and even sensor systems play pivotal roles in maintaining optimal engine operation and output. Immediate attention should be given to rectify any underlying issues to ensure the vehicle operates within specified performance parameters. DTC P0299, or Turbocharger Underboost problem, affects multiple components within the Honda Accord's forced induction system. The primary component involved is the turbocharger, where air is pressurized before entering the engine for combustion. In this system, the turbocharger's ability to produce adequate boost pressure is vital for maximizing performance. The turbocharger itself is typically located between the exhaust manifold and the intake manifold. Other components affected include the turbocharger bypass control valve, which manages excess pressure, and various sensors, such as the MAP, Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, that monitors boost levels. If these components fail to operate correctly, it can lead directly to the malfunction indicated by the DTC. Each component's integrity must be ensured before concluding the issue lies within the turbocharger itself. Several potential causes can lead to DTC P0299 being triggered. First, there can be physical leaks present within the boost system, which may occur at boosted air connections or seals, leading to insufficient air reaching the intake manifold. Second, mechanical issues with the turbocharger itself, such as a malfunctioning wastegate actuator or faulty bypass control valve, can directly impact boost pressure levels. Electrical problems, particularly within the powertrain control module, PCM, can also result in incorrect boosts being reported or controlled. Each of these areas needs thorough examination, as they can impact not only boost levels, but overall engine performance. If any of these components fail, it leads to substantial engine inefficiency and could potentially cause extensive engine damage if not attended to promptly. When DTC P0299 is present, several symptoms may manifest that indicate the vehicle's performance is compromised. Drivers may notice a significant reduction in engine power, especially during acceleration, due to inadequate air intake. Increased turbo lag can also be observed, leading to delayed throttle response, which can be particularly frustrating during driving conditions that require immediate power. Along with performance drops, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system will trigger the check engine light, alerting the driver to a potential malfunction. Additional symptoms may include irregular engine noises and poor fuel economy, further distressing the performance of the vehicle. Regular monitoring of these symptoms is vital to maintaining the integrity of both the turbocharger and the overall engine system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0299 involves inspecting the air cleaner element of the Honda Accord. The air cleaner element plays a crucial role in filtering out contaminants from the air before it enters the engine. A clogged or dirty air filter can significantly restrict airflow, thereby impacting turbocharger functionality and leading to underboost scenarios. When performing this inspection, it's essential to check for any debris buildup or damage to the air filter. If the air filter is found to be excessively dirty or deformed, Replacing it can restore proper airflow, thereby decreasing the chances of triggering the DTC again. Ensuring optimal airflow is fundamental for maintaining efficient turbocharger operation and overall engine performance. The second troubleshooting step is to inspect the turbocharger bypass control valve. This valve is crucial for regulating boost pressure by opening to release excess pressure back into the intake, preventing overboosting. Malfunctioning of this valve could lead to insufficient boost pressure, hence triggering the DTC P0299. To conduct this inspection, it's important to visually assess the valve for any signs of damage or incorrect installation. Testing the valve's functionality can be done by applying power to see if it opens and closes correctly. Adequate function of the turbocharger bypass control valve is vital for the proper functioning of the turbocharged system, ensuring that boost levels are maintained according to engine demands. Next, the evap canister purge valve must be inspected for faults. This component is part of the evaporative emission system, and while it may not directly affect boost pressure, issues within this system can indicate broader problems that may lead to DTC P0299. Any leakage in the evap purge valve may affect air intake pressure, inadvertently influencing turbo operation. During this inspection, check the valve for proper operation and any signs of leakage or damage. Ensuring that no air leaks occur is essential for the accurate functioning of the entire vehicle's intake system. If problems are detected here, repair or replacements should be made accordingly to prevent disruption in the boost pressures. The procedure progresses with a thorough inspection of the evap purge system. This system is designed to capture and recycle fuel vapors, and any leaks within it can have serious implications on engine performance, potentially causing underboost conditions. During this inspection, check all hoses and connections for pore seals, cracks, or misalignment that may result in air leakage. Notably, poor connections or components that are installed incorrectly can exacerbate pressure inconsistencies. The goal is to ensure that there are no leaks in the system. Post-inspection, replacements or adjustments may be necessary should abnormalities be discovered. This proactive step helps ensure the integrity of the overall performance system and minimizes the risk of recurring DTC codes. Continuing with the troubleshooting process, the Boost System 1 must be inspected for leaks. Boost System 1 connects the turbocharger to the throttle body and is crucial for delivering pressurized air into the engine. Any leak in the system can lead to lower than expected boost levels, directly correlating with the DTC 20299 being triggered. During this inspection, meticulous attention should be given to all hose connections and fittings along this pathway for signs of wear or failure. Checking these components for deformation, cracks, or loose fittings will help ensure that there are no air leaks. If signs of leakage are identified, immediate repairs or replacements are essential. This proactive inspection not only alleviates DTCs, but also supports optimal turbocharger performance. Following that, Boost System 2 needs to be thoroughly inspected. This system is critical as it manages the flow of air post-turbocharger and up to the intake manifold. Blockages or restrictions in any component can severely limit the air supply necessary for optimal engine performance, leading to an underboost scenario represented by DTC P0299. During this step, check all hoses, tubes, and connections for any obstructions, damage, or kinks that might impede airflow. Each connection must also be checked for proper sealing to ensure no unauthorized air enters the system. Should any blockages or damage be identified, necessary repairs should be performed to restore proper functionality. Ensuring the integrity of this system is vital for the successful operation of the turbocharger and the overall performance of the engine. Next, we must investigate the exhaust system for potential leaks. The exhaust system plays a pivotal role in turbocharger function, as it expels waste gases that the turbocharger utilizes to compress fresh air entering the engine. Any leaks present in this system could lead to insufficient pressure in the turbocharger, further resulting in DTC P0299. Start by inspecting the exhaust components, including pipes and gaskets, especially where connections exist. Signs of exhaust gas escaping before reaching the outlet can significantly affect turbo performance. If leaks are found, they must be repaired or sealed to restore proper exhaust flow. This inspection is vital, as exhaust efficiency directly correlates with turbo performance and overall vehicle power output. The eighth step involves inspecting the turbocharger wastegate control actuator. This actuator regulates the flow of exhaust gases to the turbocharger's turbine, controlling the amount of boost produced. If the actuator is not functioning correctly, it may lead to an underboost condition by either failing to open and release pressure or being stuck in one position. To inspect the actuator, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to conduct an output test, ensuring the actuator responds as intended. Visually check for any signs of wear, corrosion, or mechanical failure. If not operating as designed, replacing the actuator or making necessary adjustments will be required to achieve optimal turbocharger performance. Proper wastegate function is critical to maintain efficient turbo operation and overall engine effectiveness. The next troubleshooting step is to assess the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve function. This valve is responsible for managing the bypass of pressure when the boost exceeds a set level, thus helping regulate how much boost reaches the intake. Conducting the HDS turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve test will provide insight into its performance. During this test, a clicking sound should be audible, indicating that the solenoid is functioning correctly. Any absence of this sound signifies a malfunction within the solenoid. If it is not operating correctly, it will need replacement. Ensuring this component operates as intended is crucial for maintaining appropriate boost levels and preventing potential engine damage due to overpressurization. Lastly, the inspection of the powertrain control module, or PCM, is essential when troubleshooting DTC P0299. The PCM serves as the brain of the vehicle, interpreting signals from various sensors and controlling engine parameters. If all previous inspections return normal results, there may be an underlying issue with the PCM itself. Checking the PCM for error codes or poor performance will help verify its functionality. If faults are detected, it may necessitate reprogramming or replacing the unit altogether. Advanced diagnoses can be performed through the HDS to check for internal faults. Resolving any PCM-related issues is crucial, as it ensures all components communicate effectively, thereby maintaining overall vehicle performance. Once all repair and inspection steps have been completed for DTC P0299, it is necessary to conduct a final verification. This includes performing a test drive to confirm that the engine operates without issues and to ensure that the previously triggered check engine light does not reappear. During this process, monitor the vehicle's boost levels and responsiveness, checking for signs of optimal performance. After the drive, use the diagnostic scanner to confirm that the DTC has indeed been cleared from the system. If the DTC persists, additional diagnosis may be required. Successful confirmation of this process signifies the repairs have been effective, restoring the vehicle to its optimal performance state. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0299, regular maintenance and inspections of the turbocharging system and related components are essential. Create a preventative maintenance schedule that includes periodic checks of the air cleaner element, boost hoses, and connections for wear or damage. Additionally, routine replacement of the air filters will ensure that airflow remains unobstructed, allowing the turbocharger to function optimally. Furthermore, inspecting the evap system and boost systems for leaks periodically can help identify problems before they escalate into major repairs. Establishing a rigorous maintenance routine not only prolongs the life of the components, but also enhances overall vehicle performance and reliability. By keeping these systems in optimal condition, you can minimize the risk of encountering diagnostic trouble codes in the future. In conclusion, the troubleshooting and rectification of DTC P0299 are vital for maintaining optimal engine performance in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Understanding the role of components such as the turbocharger, bypass control valves, and PCM is crucial in diagnosing potential issues. Timely inspections and repairs can significantly mitigate the risks of further damage or deterioration of engine output. By implementing regular preventive maintenance, any underboost issues can be easily identified and corrected before they escalate. Ultimately, staying ahead of possible failures will not only enhance driving satisfaction, but also ensure that the vehicle operates efficiently and effectively over its lifespan. Emphasizing preventive measures alongside understanding the diagnostic process creates a holistic approach to vehicle maintenance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.